Half of all tropical forests in the world today are secondary forest, growing on land that was once logged or used for cattle pasture. In the past, most degraded land was left to regenerate on its own or was planted with non-native teak, pine, or eucalyptus. But as human populations skyrocket, tropical forest becomes ever more important. In the largest tropical reforestation experiment of its kind, the Smithsonian and its partners planted 150,000 trees and protected degraded lands in a 3-square-mile area in the Panama Canal watershed. The trees are growing remarkably quickly, demonstrating nature's own resilience. In poor soils, we've planted native hardwood species that grow larger and store much more carbon than teak, providing a better investment option for rural landowners. By comparing the amount of water in streams flowing out of pastures and forests, we've discovered that forest soils act as a sponge, reducing flooding during major storms and storing water that becomes available during dry periods. When we protect lands near existing parks, birds and mammals help to spread seeds and pollinate flowers, bringing new life to once barren landscapes. At the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama, scientists and students from around the world are learning from nature how to create a more sustainable future.